Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello friends, welcome to Circle Time in Miss April's classroom. My name is Miss April. What's your name? I am so excited that you joined me today. We have a lot to learn in Circle Time. Let's start with our weather song. What is the weather, the weather, the weather? What is the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? What is the weather today? Okay, friends, it's time to look out of our weather window so we can see what the weather is like today. Ready? Look, what's the weather like today? I see a lot of clouds in the sky. It's a cloudy day. Can you help me make a weather sentence? Perfect. Let's start with our weather picture. Which picture shows a cloudy day? If you chose this picture, I agree. I see two clouds. That represents a cloudy day. Let's add it to our weather sentence. Okay, let's read the sentence together. The weather is cloudy. Good job. We'll read it one more time. The weather is cloudy. Excellent. Great job reading, friends. Okay, before we get Perry the polar bear dressed, we're going to sing our cloudy day song. Ready? Cloudy, 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 it is cloudy today. C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy, it is cloudy today. Okay, friends, let's get Perry the polar bear dressed for a cloudy day. We also need to remember that it's winter time, so it's cold outside. We need to get Perry dressed for a cold, cloudy day. Are you ready? Let's start with his top. Which top should Perry the polar bear wear on a cold, cloudy day? Should he wear a short sleeve shirt or a long sleeve shirt? If you chose the long sleeve shirt, I agree. When it's cold outside, it's a good idea to cover your arms to keep you warm. Let's put the long sleeve shirt on Perry. His shirt is blue today. Let's see what kind of bottoms he chose and what color they'll be. Which bottoms should Perry wear on a cold, cloudy day? Should he wear long pants or shorts? If you chose the long pants, I definitely agree. The long pants will keep him warm on this cold, cloudy day. What color are his pants? If you said green, you are correct. Let's put the green pants on Perry. There we go. Now Perry needs shoes to protect his feet. Perry wants shoes that are the same color as his pants. What color will his shoes be? If you said green, you are correct. Perry is wearing his green shoes today. 1, 2. 2 green shoes for Perry because he has 2 feet. Okay, friends, now that we're finished with the weather, it's time to move on to our letter of the week. This week, we're learning a new letter. We'll start with the sound. You're going to need to put your listening ears on. Did you turn it on? Perfect. Ready? J. Can you say that sound with me? J. Excellent. Our sound is J. How do we write the J sound when we want to write a word or a sentence? What letter can we use to represent the J sound? we can use the letter J. Can you say that with me? J. Excellent. The letter J makes the J sound. This is an uppercase J and this is a lowercase j. Let's add the letter J to our word wall. Okay, we're going to put our uppercase J right here and our lowercase j. Perfect. Okay, let's look at our uppercase and lowercase j. Our uppercase J is a tall letter. It starts at the top, it has a straight line down, and it has a little hook on the bottom of it. And the hook goes to the left. Our lowercase j is very similar to our uppercase j. There are a few differences. It also has a long line down and a little hook at the bottom that goes to the left. But our lowercase j starts in the middle of the line and it goes below the line. It's a long letter that goes down. And it also has a little dot at the top. So this is our uppercase J and this is our lowercase j. Do you remember what sound the letter J makes? It makes the J sound. Say it with me. The letter J makes the J sound. Good, let's say that one more time. The letter J makes the J sound. Excellent. Okay, let's take a look at something that starts with the letter J. That means it's going to start with the J sound. Ready? Wow, what do you see? It's a jellyfish. I know that jellyfish starts with the letter J because I hear the J sound at the beginning. Listen, jellyfish, jellyfish. Did you hear the J sound? Perfect. Okay, friends, now that we're finished with our letter, it's time to read our word of the day. Let's see what letters are in today's word. Oh, I see the letter D, A, and another D. Let's go over the sounds that those letters make. Do you remember what sound the letter D makes? It makes the D sound. What sound does the letter A make? It makes the A sound. And we just said that the letter D makes the D sound. Okay, now we're going to sound out our word. We're only going to say the sounds. Ready? D. A. D. Good work. Let's try it again. D. A. D. Good. We'll go faster. D. Add. D. Add. Dad. Dad. Do you know what our word of the day is? Dad. Dad. Our word of the day is dad. We spell dad using the letter D, the letter A, and the letter D again. D-A-D spells dad. Great work, friends. You helped me read our word of the day. Okay, now that we're finished with our word of the day, it's time to see what our number of the week is going to be. Last week, we talked about and learned the number 8. We even put 8 stars on our sky every day. We are learning the number that comes after 8. Do you know what number comes after 8 when we count? It's the number 9. Our number of the week is 9. Let's add it to our circle time board. There we go. Okay, let's count to the number 9. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I heard 9. That means we need to stop. Great work, friends. Okay, now we're going to put 9 stars in the sky. Can you help me? Great. Okay, let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We did it. We counted 9 stars. I heard the number 9, so that means I need to stop. Let's count them one more time just to be sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 stars in our sky. Great work, friends. This week we're going to learn all about the number 9. But for now, it's time to move on to a new part of our circle time. And it's our sight word of the week. We're going to start reading words, but these words you have to know just by looking at them. We can't sound them out like our word of the day. We just have to look at it and know what it is. So, let me tell you what this week's sight word is. It's the word and. Can you say and? Good. The letters in the word and are A, N, D. So anytime you would see those letters together, A, N, D, in that order, it would be the word and. So when you read and you would see this word, you would say and. Okay, let's practice clapping our word. I'll show you how it goes. First, we say the word and. Good. Then we clap each letter. Ready? A, N, D. Good. Then we say the word one more time. And. Perfect. That's how we clap our sight word. Let's try it again. And. A, N, D. And. Perfect. Let's try it one more time. And. A, N, D. And. Fantastic. This week, we're going to practice reading the word and every day. And we'll practice clapping it as well. Okay, now that we're finished with our sight word of the day, it's time to look at our shape of the week. This week, we're reviewing some shapes that we've already learned. The shape we're reviewing today is the pentagon. Can you say pentagon? Excellent. Let's count so we can remember how many sides and corners a pentagon has. We'll start with the sides. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sides does a pentagon have? It has 5 sides. Okay, now let's count the corners. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many corners does a pentagon have? It has 5 corners. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Okay, now we are going to take a look at a lot of different shapes. And we're going to circle all of the pentagons that we see. I'll give you a hint. There will be 3 of them. Are you ready? Wow, look at all the shapes. Can you help me find the 3 pentagons? Look, here's a pentagon. Did you see this one? Excellent. Can you find another pentagon? Here is another pentagon. I know it's a pentagon because it has 5 sides and 5 corners. Now we need to find the 3rd pentagon. Do you see it? Here it is. Here is the last pentagon. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. Excellent job, friends. You helped me find the 3 pentagons. We know that a shape is a pentagon if it has 5 sides and 5 corners. Amazing job. Hey, that is it for our circle time board today. That means it's time to take a brain break. After our brain break, join me for part 2 of today's videos, where we learn all about our theme. So, I'll see you for our daily message time. Enjoy your brain break. Bye. Hi friends, make sure you watch part 2 of today's videos. It's our daily message time, and that's when we learn all about this week's theme. Also, if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And if you would like to see more videos from Miss April's classroom, make sure you click subscribe.